It's a great pleasure for me to extend a hearty welcome to all of you on the happiest day. Founder's vision from 1937, late MCTM Chidambaram Chettiar, is to reach out and extend our banking beyond the boundaries of India. Right from the 1937, we started the bank in Burma, Rangoon, along with the branches in India. Just now, we had the fortune of hearing the great former Governor of Reserve Bank of India, Dr. Y.V. Reddy, talking on stability and the financial system and growth with stability. That particular program was also well attended by the lot of people, personalities from Hyderabad. Today I am very happy that our Platinum Moments is being brought to you by Sangeet Bharati Foundation, which is one of the leading cultural and music institution from Bangalore. I am also a life member of this institution, and they have been conducting per month at least 2 programs, and lot of music artists from all over India had come to Bangalore. Enthused by the program which is organized in other places, today in association with Suramangal, Hyderabad, who have also giving the local coordination, they have come here. We have a beauty of, or what you call, music program by very, very reputed artists today. I am sure at the end of the evening, you will all rejoice and go that we would like to have such programs on a repeated occasion. This particular evening, we pay our tribute to the founders, our past leaders, past IOBians, and all our customers whose support and patronization has made us to reach to this particular level. Similarly, we have to also take a pledge along with all of you that we must not rest with what we have achieved. We have a long way to go in our pursuit of excellence and in pursuit of reaching out large section of the population and making banking ease for those of them who have find difficult to access to the banking. So in terms of financial inclusion, we may also take up such projects not only in the metro places like Hyderabad, in the rural areas too. So that will be the next series of program coming in the rural and semi-urban areas. And this year, we have already opened more than 200 branches. By the 10th of February, we will open another 200 branches to make it our bank total number to 2,600. I am sure our customer number will expand. We will grow from strength to strength, and we will have more occasion to celebrate, and at the same time we will rededicate ourselves to the cause of the nation. With this, once again I extend a hearty welcome to all of you, various senior, very elderly people, lot of our patrons, most of them have come here, and I'm sure you are going to have a very, very beautiful and enjoyable evening. Thank you.